Welcome back, guys, to another video. What I want to go over is literally one of the easiest strategies that you guys can use while trading. And a lot of you might know, but when we trade, we use these things called indicators. So right here, I have a list of all the indicators I use, and what I want you guys to do is actually type in Bollinger Bands, or it's right here on your chart. But when you guys click it, it will appear on your screen. And what it is it's kind of like this cloud that's going around the candles. And what you guys need to notice is there are the top of the Bollinger Bands, that blue line, and then there is the bottom Bollinger Bands right here. So I want you guys to look right here in the market. When the market shot up rapidly like that, it hit the top of the Bollinger Band right there, and then it started to go down. And in the past, when it came down and hit the bottom Bollinger Band, it actually touched it right there with that hammerhead pattern right there, and then it started to go up over time, and that's when we saw that big increase in price. But when we use this tool, what we are ultimately doing is waiting for the market to hit the top Bollinger Band, and that indicates a sell. And when it hits the bottom Bollinger Band like here, that's indicating a buy. So you guys can see that the market is pretty oversold right here. We should see it reverse to the upside very soon. So honestly, using this tool, it's very effective, because when we're looking at the market, let's say we're trying to find a pattern in the market. Like right here, we have a W pattern. Let me write it out for you guys. Boom, it went down to support, up to resistance, back down to support. Actually tested a little bit further on this support than right here, and then after that it went all the way up to new resistance levels. It actually broke right here. And you guys all need to take attention to is I'm looking at one time frame right here. This is only 4-hour time frame, so we could go to another time frame like the daily. And that is honestly one of the best things that you guys can do in your trading, is not focus on one time frame, but ultimately look at multiple time frames to get a better indication on what's going to happen in the market. And I know that I went on Euro USD earlier, or on yesterday's video, and I told you guys that ultimately it could be a buy or a sell, and it looks like it ended up being a sell. And the thing that I actually missed out that I didn't do was I didn't look at the daily candle. I think, if I recall correctly, I was only looking at the 4-hour chart, but on the daily candle right here, I want you guys to look at this. This candle formation right here is actually giving us signs of a bearish market, meaning that it's most likely going to continue to drop. We actually did hit our 20-length moving average, and then we had a decrease in price from there. And then yesterday's candle, it actually closes kind of like a spinning top in a way. You guys can see that it has the top, the pins pointing to the top. Then after that, this candle came out and completely dropped down. So really what it comes down to is when you use this tool, you guys should be looking at multiple time frames. Like right here, this would be a perfect buy opportunity. Let me highlight this. We have the doji form right at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Easily could have put our stop loss right here at previous support, put our stops right there, and the market didn't even touch it. After it formed the doji, it started to go into a bullish market, started to rise, and it went perfectly in the direction that we intended it to go. So when you guys use this indicator, it's really going to help a lot of you out, and this is really a simple indicator that you guys can use. I hope that you guys got value in this short video, and I will be providing much more videos like this. Me and my assistant actually have been working and strategizing on what type of content we want to start putting out on YouTube, and it looks like you guys are loving it, because over the past week we did hit 7,000 subscribers. I think we now are at 7,200 subscribers. We're 7 subscribers away. So if you guys could, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel, please make sure that you guys do, and I will see you guys on the next video.